Hey guys, what's going on? It's Tosh. I'm going to show you how to use Claude Cowork to send personalized LinkedIn messages every day, automated to your target audience. So if you've tried Claude Cowork before, you'll know it's like an incredible tool. But if you're new to it, go ahead and download it. And the cheapest plan is $20 a month, and it's well worth the money. You can just do it as a business expense. So get that downloaded from the Claude website. And after that, you're going to need to download the Claude Chrome web extension. I'm going to put this in the description so you have access to it, but you're going to want to add this to your Chrome instance, and it has 3 million users, so a ton of people are already using it. So let me close this. This is ChatGPT. So since we have the Chrome extension and then we have Claude Code on our computer, I've already kind of got this set up, but you're going to want to go to your LinkedIn in the browser and go to Sales Navigator. And by the way, you don't need Sales Navigator to do this. I have it, so it makes life, a lot easier. And I'm basically reaching out to surgeons for a medical illustration tool that I've developed. So you're going to notice here that this is yellow, and that's because that means that Claude Cowork has access to it. And to give like new tabs access, all you have to do is right click and then add tab to group and then Claude MCP and it'll have access. So let's go ahead and show you an example. Okay, send a LinkedIn message to the next doctor and make it personalized. So it's going to go ahead and do that, and it'll probably take about 5 to 10 minutes. You're going to want to basically walk it through how to send a message. And it can also like figure things out, but what it's going to do is it's going to go to the browser, take a screenshot to see where it's at, and then go through all the steps. Okay, and it's opened up Andrew Fishman. So let's go back to here. Okay, so reading his recent posts to understand like what are the things he's been writing about, because that's how it's going to personalize it. All right, so it's basically researched him, what his recent posts are about, and it's going to use that to write a personal message to him. Okay, it's writing the message here. So look, it wrote the message, and then boom, it's sent. Okay, so that took a couple of minutes, about 5 minutes, let's say. And so, yeah, it sent perfectly. And by the way, I've been doing this for like 2 days, and the response rate is very high, probably because it's personalized. But um, yeah, it's been really nice so far and helpful. So that's the message it wrote. Now you don't want to really like have to do this every day. So what you can do is create a scheduled task. Okay, let's create a new scheduled task where you do this every day at 11:30 a.m. and send 10 DMs. Okay, and if we do that, it should set up a scheduled task. And I'm going to give you the exact prompt that I have. You're going to need to change it with who your target audience is um, and what message you want to send them. But yeah, hopefully this should get you started in terms of using Claude Cowork to automate DMs to people on LinkedIn that you're trying to do sales with. And yeah, a couple of other things to note is there's three options here. You probably want to go with Sonnet. Haiku is not good for this type of task, and Opus is the best, but it's a lot more expensive. So just Sonnet, it works fine. And look, send 10 LinkedIn Sales Navigator in mails to surgeons daily at 11:30 for anatomy A. Let's schedule it. All right, it's writing the scheduled task. Okay. So I had a previous one that had 5 messages and asking if I want to disable it. I'm going to do that later, but I'm going to show you the scheduled task it created. So here, click this, and then boom. and then you can read this. And I'm going to create a link where you have access to this, and you can just copy and paste and edit like who you want to reach out to. Um, so yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully that makes sense, and it should give you an idea of some of the things you can automate that are really useful just by using Claude Cowork in the browser. So yeah, thanks. Bye.